Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. Look at what arrived in the mail from Spellbinders. I am here with a Platinum Scout unboxing and demo video. Look how pretty the box is too. So this is the Platinum Scout. Have not even opened it up yet because I wanted to open this up on camera with you guys. Remember that the Scout is available for pre-order. It will ship in June. The pre-orders will ship first when this beauty is shipping. So this is the white Platinum Scout. There is also a purple Platinum Scout called the Lilac Shimmer, and the Lilac Shimmer, which is a beautiful new color. I'm showing you the graphics here because, oh, it's just so pretty. That one will also have a Platinum 6 Lilac Shimmer just to complete your bundle. And gosh, she is just so pretty. But I do have this one. So let's take a look at this beauty. Yay. Don't forget right now that Kit Club is open until the 27th for new subscriptions. Also, next week on Thursday, the 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific time, 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, I will be there as a special guest for the next Spellbinders Club Along crafting video on the Spellbinders YouTube channel. So crafters, come and watch that video. You'll see projects from myself, Yana, Kim, and Josie. Yay! So definitely mark your calendar for May 23rd. I will put a link in the video so you can click that and ask to be notified when that video goes live as a good reminder. And also, yes, there will be a link for this beauty as well for the pre-order. Let's get into this one. Don't even have to say let's get started. I'm already started. Open her up. Look at this box. All right, so right out the gate, you have register to receive $5 off. So that's cool. Then you get your Platinum Scout little booklet. And look at that. I see an embossing folder and a die. Oh, we're going to test this embossing folder. Yay. Oh, lift it out. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to come down a little bit here now. So here, this package is your universal plate system. Love. I was so tickled that this comes with a universal plate system. She cuts like a Platinum 6. Great engineering in this one. So let's see. We're going to test it out. Look at this die. Nice intricate die. It says best wishes. This one is interesting. It has a script and foliage base for you to put on the flowers. Oh, super cute. And then here is a 3D embossing folder. Alrighty. We are at 3 inches by 8 3/4. Now this machine has a 3.5-inch opening, 9-inch length. Let's look at the cutting plate just to make sure. 3.5 by 9. Okay, so you can do slimline embossing folders, slimline dies, all the good stuff. There is a shim. That's that Mylar shim. An embossing mat. Cool. Adapter plate, so that's for the 3D, just like your full-size Platinum 6 universal plate system or your Platinum universal plate system. Oh, so love, so love. Look at this. This is just adorable. I like this format too. I like how it's just like this, but I can still see all the recipes for how to use this awesome universal plate system. I'm loving this sizing as well. That's the tool to put on the handle. Okay, crafters, so I lift off the little egg crate. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm keeping this box with the crate because when I go to a crop or I'm traveling, I do like to carry a die cut machine with me. Usually it's my Platinum 6 in a tote, but now I can carry this, and this box is actually not that bad to carry. So her footprint is not that big if you want to take her to a crop with you. If you are going to travel with her, I would say the best way to do it in the box, maybe put this box then in a bag and then carry it. And I try not to put anything heavy on my die cut machine. Don't put your paper pads and all your heavy stuff on top of any brand of die cutting machine. Keep her separate. If you're driving to a crop, put her in the front seat beside you, okay? That's the best way to travel. Oh, look at this baby. Okay. So I'm keeping all of this goodies. Alrighty. Look. Oh, she comes with the handle already. Wait a second. I didn't even notice she came with the handle. Oh, that's interesting. So if something does happen, then you have the whole toolkit to then reassemble it. Crafters, what I also like about this one in particular, this handle is a full-size handle. Spellbinders, thank you so much. You know how much I love this? This is 10 inches from here out to here. From here, closed up, under 4 inches. And the height, 4¼ okay? Now I'm going to open her out. Look at that. She doesn't have the little handle in the middle like the Platinum 6 or the Platinum machine, but you can just carry her like this. Look how cute this is. Or just carry her in your hand. 10½ fully opened, okay? And then this is where the base is at 3¾ perfect for the 3½ inch opening, all right? It's so cute. Let me pull this back up. She's so pretty. So if you have the new and improved Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine or the Platinum machine, which is the full-size large format, here you can add the Scout to it. Look how pretty she is. Oh my goodness, because I have the original Platinum 6, so I don't have this color, but boy, pretty, pretty, pretty. So on my glass board here, which is 24 inches wide, 18 inches long, I still have space that I can put her, craft, come back to. You can also put her off to the side. Like I'm right-handed, so more than likely I'll have her here. But I can do things or even put her off even further to the side. But I can bring her in and go like this. This is handy for smaller crafting, which is a lot of what we do. Alrighty, so let me now open these beauties up. This is another crafty assistant. The Scout is a crafty assistant. The Craft Stacks is a crafty assistant. I'm loving all these crafty assistants. 9-inch Pro Shears, another crafty assistant. I'm going to just start off with platform base A, top, the 2 cutting plates, okay? Just for die cutting in general, keep one as your cutting plate and then the other one that goes on the top. That's how we generally do it. We always cut into one and then keep one pristine. I try not to switch between the two. Let's go with this Best Wishes with the little flowers. Oh, super duper cute. All right, I'm going to skip this part because that's too small. I don't want to lose it and then Tori has to come in here and try to find it. Crafters, I got so many comments from you guys about using a magnet to find your missing die. Okay, crafters, quick sidebar. Yes, I got another one. So this one, I put some yellow tape on. This will be rough cutting for paper. This is the one that's pristine. She doesn't touch anything but paper only. No adhesive. This one will do everything else, okay? So here is my sandwich. Okay, crafters, I'm going to do the first run of the Platinum Scout. I'm holding it down here just so it doesn't pop. Okay, there. Oh, and there we go. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, nice. Very nice. Using my tool-in-one, as you can see, the sentiment already popped out, the outline. Loving it so far. Loving that it cut this little small part right there. That would normally not cut with a machine this size. Clean out my die. Oh, yeah. It cut the little piece in the E and the little piece in the S. So there is Best Wishes. Nice and clean. Let's look at the leaves, the foliage. Nice and clean. Love. Alrighty, let's go over here to the flower. Super love. Now with the pressure, yes, sometimes it'll go in here. So this is what I was talking about. This is going to be my cut plate. This will be my top cutting plate that I don't die cut into. And I like to cut downward. As you can see, I like to use scraps. I don't go with big old pieces of paper and all that. I conserve. I'm not even using Spellbinders cardstock right now because this is all like a draft. This is not like the final product. So I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Oh, look at that, crafters. Loving. Happy, happy. Oh, this little die set is so cute. I would put the little flower like so on it and etc. But we're not here to put together die cuts. We're here to test and test some more like we're in the Spellbinders lab. Up next, I have a pink sheet of cardstock here. This is an intricate die. This is from the Advent calendar. So I wanted something small and, you know, with all the layers in it. Let me get my universal plate system ready. Get this down. Put it in at an angle. Put this on. And let's see. Ah, very nice. Look at that. Some pieces even stayed here on the machine, on the plate. Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. Fully cut. Oh, so love it. Look at that pink. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Great detail. I hope I'm in focus. I did some other cuts and I wasn't in focus, I know. So here I'm doing this one and in a lighter color too so you can see. And I'm just pushing this through with my finger. And nothing is holding on. Absolutely clean. Love, 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 love. And this is intricate. Yay! Winner! Loving the Scout. It did bend my die, but that comes from pressure. So let me show you. When your die does bend, no matter the size of the machine, if it bends like this, there you go. Just lightly. That's it. Don't go crazy with the bend. Just quick bend, and you can straighten it back out to then stick on your magnets, etc. Can I say this again? I'm loving this. Up next, crafters, I want to run this 3D embossing folder. Okay, crafters, here is a sheet of pink cardstock, around 85 pound. This one is 3.5 by 8.5. I'm going to use the Spellbinders Mighty Mister. Remember this one, to do a light spritz. I love that. I use it for my hair most of the time. Put it here in the 3D embossing folder, so I'll have a little overhang, but that's okay. Then I'm coming in with the adapter plate because I am using a 3D embossing folder. So 3D embossing folder will be the platform base, which is A, the embossing folder, and D, just like the regular Platinum 6, okay? Oh, let's see. I'm so excited by this one. It has to kind of grab. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I thought it would have been a lot of pressure. Not so, not so. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm still loving the big handle. Oh, crafters, look at that detail on both sides. Oh, this is a winner. This is a winner. Look at that 3D embossing. You could just have a card and just cut this piece and then have something on the top with some more flowers. This is so pretty. I love this embossing folder. It's like a floral vine. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. Oh, very pretty. And works so well for the embossing. Ooh, here is a intricate die cut. Here is a sentiment with the die cut. Loving. So I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you. I was so happy to get some Spellbinders Happy Mail. This is a beauty, and she comes with the universal plate system bundled up together. So you get a die, embossing folder, the Scout, and the necessary cutting plates to then elevate it into that 3D cutting and all the good stuff. Oh, this is lovely. And then when you're not using her, you can just close her up like this, put her off to the side, craft, come back in, open her up, cut your sentiment, put her off to the side. You see? This is what I like, the convenience. Yes, crafty assistant. All of a sudden you need something else, real quick, there she is. Sentiment, there she is. Love. And on the go crafting, this is fabulous too. Very small footprint. Okay, crafters, I just wanted to hop on and show you the Scout. Oh, this is so fabulous. Remember, you can do the pre-order now. It will ship in June. You will be one of the first people to get it. She's a beaut. And I hope to see everybody next week on the 23rd for the Club Along crafting video. Oh goodness, this is lovely, lovely. And you can use this for all those little die cuts from the amazing Tropical Kit Club. 2 thumbs up. This home run winner. So happy about the Spellbinders Platinum Scout. She's so pretty. And I love the little universal plate system too. Yay! Another exciting crafty tool just to make our crafting life smoother and easier. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!